How genes make different cells. All cells contain your full set of DNA instructions, but each cell only uses the genes it needs. This selective use of genes determines what each cell looks like and how it functions within your body. Gene expression, turning genes on or off. The process of using genes is called gene expression. Cells express only a fraction of their genes, switching on the ones they need and turning off the ones they don't. As a cell becomes specialized, more and more genes get switched off. Regulation. Controlling gene expression. Cells don't randomly turn genes on or off. The process is carefully regulated by special segments of DNA, regulator genes, promoter genes, and operator genes. Together, these act like switches, ensuring genes are expressed at just the right time. How genes get switched on or off. Genes stay off when blocked by a repressor protein. When environmental conditions are right, this protein is removed, allowing an activator protein to bind. Only then can transcription begin, turning the gene on. Stem cells. The starting point. Embryos start as stem cells, capable of becoming any type of cell. At first, these cells all use the same genes, but as the embryo grows, cells get signals that tell them which genes to keep on and which ones to turn off, guiding them to specialize. Cell specialization, making a difference. As the embryo develops, one stem cell might turn on genes that create nerve cells, complete with dendrites and axons. Another might activate different genes to become skin cells. It's the selective use of genes that shapes each cell's unique role. Housekeeping proteins, always on. Some proteins are so crucial that every cell keeps them switched on all the time. These are housekeeping proteins. They handle essential jobs like repairing DNA, metabolism, or moving substances in and out of cells. Transport proteins, moving materials. Transport proteins help move substances across cell membranes or around your body, critical for delivering nutrients and removing waste. Structural proteins, cell support. Structural proteins give cells their shape and help hold organelles in place, like scaffolding inside every cell. Enzymes, speeding up reactions. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions, like breaking down food. Without them, life's essential processes would be too slow. Boy or girl, how genes determine sex. At 6 weeks, embryos have all the internal parts to become either male or female. But if the embryo has a Y chromosome, a specific gene switches on, producing hormones that form male reproductive organs and prevent female ones from developing further. Why do men have nipples? Ever wonder why men have nipples? They develop early on in all embryos. Their continued growth depends on hormones, meaning males end up with them, even though they're generally non-functional. Connecting the dots. From stem cells to specialized tissues, gene expression connects every step of development, shaping every cell in your body and making you unique. Each gene, each cell is part of a bigger picture. Here's today's quote. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. If you liked this episode, hit like, subscribe, and stay curious. More amazing body facts coming soon.